Yo, what's good, y'all? We back with another video. Right now we at a car meet, Halloween car meet. Got my boy Haunted over there in the cut chilling, and we got my whole squad out here tonight. So it's a lot of people out here dressed in costumes and stuff like that. Fez also here too to support. You got a couple of them around the block.
The beat plug.
It might be real dark out here to see my face. I'm trying to stand in the light. But yeah, we got a lot of cars out here. So I'm gonna get some clips with the squad. We go pull up on everybody real quick. My boy Frank pulled up with the GT looking see what's good, bro.
What's up, G?
Shout out to the YouTube.
Shout out to YouTube. This is Frank from New York. Where? From Queens.
I'm gonna tag his Instagram and everything right here. But yeah, oh matter of fact, he got a little bit of it right there. But I'm still tagging. You know, it's Halloween time, so he got the Halloween joint looking there.
Keep my mask up here, bro.
But yeah, let me go get the mask real quick. He got the caution tape all around the joint. You gotta get the holographic joint Mopar on there real quick though.
I just know the one.
He got the headlights looking spiffy. So his charger can get the fancy lights. My lights can't do that. I gotta upgrade my charger to get that. And he got the little bunny mask on the front. Say less. So let me get the other squad up in here real quick. Is that Chewy? That's Chewy right there. Chewy with the fancy lights. Look at his lights being fancy. Yo. Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up?
Yeah. How are you?
How you doing? Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Hey, how are you?
Chillin'. Got the YouTube video going now. You got Tater Goddess and Chewy right here.
What's up?
And the boy Jason pulled up as well.
Oh, you got a break.
The whole squad out here tonight looking spiffy. Chewy with the fancy lights though. This thing looking right. Yo. Shout out to the YouTube. Shout out to the YouTube.
What up?
I'm gonna tag everybody Instagram right here. You feel me? How y'all feeling out? It's cold out here?
It's cold as hell out here, bro. I got me. Look at my cat in the hat shit, man.
Yeah, you got the cat in the hat to match the whip real quick. Let me get the whip in the video real quick. Hold on. So you got the cat in the hat with the red and black. Looking spiffy out here. You got Cloudy out here. So yeah, the whole squad out here, we just chilling. You got Tay Rap looking nice with the spider webs on the top of it real quick. And Maul even came out here. He's racing in the last video. And Bro God got his new little stripe wrap. Look at that. So he just got this done like last week. Hey, I'm ready. What's up, Brody?
This beast junkie in the chat, man.
All right, that's nice. Yeah, I'm about to show him all. He just got this thing done like what, last week?
The middle part, yeah. The other one, like.
Uh-oh. He done ruined it right there. But yeah, he got this thing looking nice. So yeah, we definitely gotta meet up with him. I'm gonna tag his Instagram right here as well too. And then we gonna get that video soon.
And you can just sell your other one. But the thing is though, your ghost controller cannot be mounted in your engine. It gotta be inside the car.
So when it rains, I gotta take out the thing because that shit. The glitch. Did you wrap yours?
Mine's is
Can I say that you heard it?
I don't have nothing on mine no more. It's not there no more. All my
How'd you hide it?
It's in my footwell. Like it's behind everything.
Let me see real quick, cause I know you gotta connect it to the battery, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, let me check something.
Yes, sir.
I want to see something real quick.
I'm about to expose my stock ass.
Nah, you straight.
But just wait till B Woody get it.
So yeah, I'm gonna upgrade my lights,
Who
y'all.
put mine on? He connect his right here.
This time sounded like the Flow series out there. We ain't never get a close up of his car, but we gotta do an interview with him real soon. So he also has an RT, but he did a lot of work. You couldn't even tell that this was a, I think it was a 2017, 2018, but he swapped the bumpers. He got the wicker bill and stuff. It's real dark right now. You can't really see too much. Make sure you subscribe. Mo Dodge, Mo Mars. Oh, this man got the whole ghillie wrap on the top of this. That joint go hard. That joint go crazy. What's good, Brody? But yeah, Mopar Legacy out here. I was trying to see a Grizzly out here, but Grizzly not out here. All the Mopar cars going crazy. Sweet. You got the whole Mopar legacy out this joint. You got a wide body at the end. Oh, that's not a wide body, you got the pink. You got the Nero right there. This is my first time seeing it in person. This ain't go hard. And then you got Ben-Hur joint over here.
Okay, go ahead, hit that thing, go boy.
I like that. I like that.
What did you straight fight? Yeah, I'm definitely straight fight.
That just sound gonna be sick. That just sound sweet, bro. Oh, what's up? What's up?
That shit trash.
It's trash? Where yours at? Where yours at, though?
That shit trash.
Where yours at? You say you trying to set trip. You trying.
Here we go.
Yeah, like it was like a.
I know. I'm here. Yeah, I know.
That's all right though.
I think mine sound better though.
Oh, whoa.
So you got the red interior.
Got the
okay.
red. Hey, don't get the. Hey, look, it's a little dirty on the.
You got the. We ain't gonna get too close. What y'all think of this V6?
Starlight 2 in my joint.
This GT, hey yo, this GT go hard, bro. That's a nice GT right here. That's nice sweet.
You said about what?
It's a real nice GT right here, bro. This nice
Yeah,
sweet.
okay. You see the motherfucking scat on the seat?
What that say? That's nah.
You see the scat? You see the scat on the seat?
Nah, bro. That look like a fly right there. I don't know what that is. You got a fly with go-kart wheels on your car?
Yep. You gonna have to back up from the whip.
I got back up.
You're not gonna sit there and play with me like that.
You got the black. Ooh, hold on. Look at the trash. You can't really see it. Hold.
Look right here, y'all.
Oh,
Right here, y'all.
damn. He got the starlights, bro. Oh, what you?
Right there.
God.
You got all that shit with stripper money.
Oh,
And he got it. He got the. Now that's a scat.
Hey,
Look
let
at the
me tell you
beat,
something.
look at
Let
the
me tell
beat.
you,
Oh, look
you
at-
gotta put this shit up. That nigga be tricking down New York Avenue.
Oh yeah.
For that shit, bro.
Oh yeah.
That stripper
Oh,
money.
he got. That's a beat right there. I don't think you got a fly in your thing. He got. He got.
Y'all not gonna disrespect me like I'm not though.
Look at. And he got the starlight.
That's real fucked up.
That's crazy. Who said that? That's.
That nigga wanna race me though.
Ooh, we can line it up right now.
That's how cold it
Tell
is.
him how cold it is.
Hey, the confidence. I love the confidence.
Yeah, hey, let's go check out my car real quick. Hold on. He talking real disrespectful right now, young. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Jamal's still a Tesla though.
You guys stupid.
My stop is
He's stupid. Yo.
Damn! God damn!
This man is this whole Instagram tag on the back of that.